Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to customize your Facebook avatar on PC with the new updates. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to personalize your avatar and make it truly unique. First, open Facebook on your PC by navigating to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Next, scroll down and click on Account Center. This feature allows you to manage multiple profiles and accounts linked to your Facebook account. Once you're in the Account Center, click on Profiles to access your personal profile settings. Now click on your profile to enter the Profile Management section. Here, you'll see an option for Avatar. Click on this to access the Avatar Customization tool. In the Avatar Customization section, you can make a variety of changes to personalize your avatar. You can adjust the skin tone, hairstyle, facial features, and even add accessories like glasses or hats. Take your time to explore all the options and make your avatar look just like you. Once you've made all the desired changes, click Save to apply them. Your updated avatar will now be visible across Facebook, including in comments, stories, and even as a profile picture. Customizing your Facebook avatar is a fun way to express yourself and add a personal touch to your online presence. With these easy steps, you can create an avatar that truly represents you and enhance your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of customizing your Facebook avatar on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.